Got me some new Crocs. Can't tell me nothing. Got me some new Crocs. Don't wanna stop. Ow! Got me some new Crocs. Can't tell me nothing. Got me some new Crocs.
Welcome to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Hope y'all are doing good and of course staying safe. So y'all, it is Monday, October, I think it's the 7th. Today is November the 7th. Y'all, I'm still going back. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to head out. I am on my way to Hobby Lobby, y'all. I am excited because the holidays are coming, and so I decided to take this day since I am off to go to Hobby Lobby to check out some of their Christmas decor. I really don't need any like decorations for my tree. I just wanted to go ahead and switch out these things back here. You know, when the time comes, turn those, okay. I want to switch all these things out when the floral decor. I want to switch that out, and I just want to see what they have. I have a theme of what I'm trying to do, so I want to go see if they have what I like and what they do have. I might find some little knickknacks here and there for Christmas, and yes, I know Thanksgiving didn't get here yet, but I just want to start looking because right now the Hobby Lobby Christmas decor is 50% off, and so I want to take advantage of that while I am home, while I'm off today. So this is going to be a chill with me type vlog. It's Monday. I'm only doing vlogging for today, so hopefully I have this video up for y'all by Wednesday. So y'all, I'll see y'all soon. I don't have anything on. I just have on a plain white t-shirt and my black and white Pumas and some leggings. Y'all, it is damn near, yes, I said damn near, it's damn near 80 degrees outside. So y'all, I am getting ready to she gonna come through mess up my little intro flow. She gonna mess up my intro. But y'all, I'll see y'all. Thank you. So I'll see y'all when we get to Hobby Lobby.
Talking to your peoples?
Yes, my people. Y'all know y'all my peoples. My peoples. But I'll see y'all when we get to Hobby Lobby. Nice.
The rain is going crazy.
Oh, I love this. This is nice. Oh, 60% off the Christmas floor.
Stockman dial 21. Stockman
Oh,
dial
you
21.
gotta get it. Oh, look at this. That's on the other side. You see what I'm talking about with the acorn? Not acorn. Pine cone.
Let's go around.
I like these though. Can I do something with this? You think that is something that I could do? Y'all, this is so nice. Look at that.
Put in one of them basins. Take all the white stuff.
I should have brought my battery. I'm gonna change my battery in a minute. This is nice. I left it at the house. Should I get these? I like these. I like this, but I don't like the colorful sparkles in it. I like these.
Like the rainbow colors.
Yeah, I like that rainbow color.
I love them.
Should I get some of these?
Yeah, I think that'll go good in one of those places. Especially that one in the living room.
Attention, Hobby Lobby shoppers. Can we please have the customer who lost their cell phone to the front of the store? Can we please have the customer who lost their cell phone to the front of the store?
I like these. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, those are so cute. What you think? I said I wasn't gonna get them. I said I wasn't getting any more ornaments, y'all. Should I get the butterflies? I like these more for some reason. I feel like it'll bring the tree out. Yeah, I like that. Should I get 2? So y'all, it seems kind of dark, don't it? But anyway, y'all, so we are out of Hobby Lobby. I found some really nice things. I'm actually not going to show it in this video because I'm really trying to save it for like my Christmas content, and I'm also thinking about doing Vlogmas. So if y'all want to see Vlogmas, just give me a thumbs up, or just let me know in the comments if you want to see how I decorate for Vlogmas. I basically have the same things from last year, but I just added a little bit of extra stuff. And I'm really excited about it, y'all. Like, I'm so super excited. I gotta get the tree out of the storage room. I'm not getting that tree out of the storage room because y'all know I'm scared of bugs, and I don't want no spiders on me. Sorry. But anyway, so I'm excited about that, and I was going to go to At Home to see what else they had, to see if they had anything. And I was going to change up my living room, but I said, you know what, I'm going to keep everything just plain and simple. I have enough ornaments, and ended up buying some more ornaments. My goal was to go in there and just get floral arrangement type things, but I ended up getting ornaments as well. But anyway, so right now Jackie is in Five Guys. She had a taste for some fries, and you know, I'm already ate, y'all. I had me some McDonald's. I don't eat McDonald's like that, but this today, that thing was banging. I had me a double quarter pounder, and it was slamming. But anyway, y'all, so I will see y'all when I get to the house. I have a couple of things that I'm going to open. This video is going to be kind of short. So, I'm going to show you what I got from Crocs. I got me some Crocs, and I got me a new blanket for my bed. Because the one that I have in my bed is starting to kind of, I don't want to say it's kind of starting to get ran down, but I decided to go ahead and get another one. So, and then I got some shower gel that everybody's been talking about. You know, I keep hearing about this shower gel, this Nuetrogena shower gel. So I'm going to get that, and so I'm going to show you all that, and I will probably end the video there. Not sure, but I kind of want something sweet. I don't know what I want, y'all. I want something sweet. And I'm trying to think of what I want. And I'm trying to not mess with sweets like that, because sweets are my weakness, y'all. I love sweets. I love me a good cake. I love me some good cookies. It seems kind of dark, don't it? Anyway, y'all. So I'll see y'all when I get to the house. Hey y'all, I'm back, I'm home. Hey. Okay, so I want to show y'all what I got from Amazon and Crocs.
Every day this week.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You showing the rest?
No, this is good. I'm gonna show y'all my Hobby Lobby stuff later. I'm not gonna show y'all in this video because, you know, I want to save that, y'all. You know, I'm trying to do Vlogmas and stuff. But let me show you what I do have so far that I wanted to try. So I went ahead and got me some more Crocs because I've been told that my Spider-Man Crocs wasn't all that. So I love my Spider-Man Crocs because they would come through. I think I broke them in or something like that. So I don't know.
Raggedy.
The first thing I'm gonna show y'all is my body wash that I got from Amazon, and it was a good deal because I think when you go in like places like Walmart, Target, I think it's really expensive, or Harris Teeter, it's like $20 or something like that. But I got it for like $19 on Amazon. I'll be sure to leave it in my store. By the time you see this video, it will be in the store, in my Amazon store. So let's see. Oh man, it's not as big as the other ones. Is this the size? This ain't the size that I wanted. Is this the same right size?
Nah. The one at my job is...
See, how much is that one?
22. But it's okay.
I wanted the big one.
We'll get the big one.
Anyway, y'all, this is the Nuetrogena Rain Bath Refreshing Shower and Bath Gel. I actually wanted the really big one. The one that's like, this is 16 fluid ounce. I think the other one is 32 ounces. I'm sad, y'all. But anyway, so I want to try this because everybody has been talking about this. Everybody's been raving about it. So you know how I do. You know, I'm sorry. I had to find out. I had to see for myself, y'all. So I got that. And I thought I was getting I'm sad because I wanted the big one. All right. Well, at least I get to try it out. And if I really like it, then I'll get the big one. So let's stay positive. I don't know. Nothing turned out the way I wanted it to turn out, y'all. But that's okay.
I thought you said it was a duvet.
I showed it to you.
I thought you said it was a duvet.
Oh.
Maybe it is a duvet.
No, it's a blanket.
A blanket?
A quilt type thing. Like a quilt, like it looks like the blanket.
It's not a duvet? It's not a comforter? Okay. I'm gonna open it. Am I getting on your nerves? Okay.
I want to open it and see what it looks like. They squeezed it in tight.
It's freeze dried.
Yeah.
Vacuum sealed.
Okay, can you open this?
You gonna put me to work?
Yeah.
Nerves?
Yeah. Basically.
Okay. Here we go.
That's nothing. Lord, I'm gonna tell you right now. If these Crocs don't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Nothing turned out like we wanted it to.
I'm saying, those some dope Crocs. You needed some new Crocs so you can rock.
I'm ready. The people waiting to see.
Okay. I'm so all right. Here we go. Hi.
Oh, it's heavy. Oh, touching the ground.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Okay, y'all. Oh, I like that.
I know, it's heavy.
That's nice. It's got a nice weight on it.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay, here you go. That's nice. I like it. All right, y'all. Let's open these Crocs. These Crocs. All right. Oh yeah. Y'all want something different that I can wear to the salon and also out, y'all. So I might put a picture of my Spider-Man Crocs somewhere in here. But yeah. Let me see.
Did you get any of those things to go on?
Gibbets?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, those are fly.
Look at those, y'all. Oh, they're so cute. Super cute. I got a size 10 in women's. Very cute. Wait. I'm excited. Y'all.
Can you cut me out of there?
Out of where?
When I say Rob.
No, I'm leaving you in there. she want to be out of the camera, but I'm putting her in there. No, y'all look. No, seriously. They look so cute. What you think?
Those are fly. I like those. You need some Jones. Some Jones to go in.
I want y'all to see these shoes on me. They fit perfectly. I like them, y'all. Y'all thoughts, tell me your thoughts. Perfect for me to wear to work. I'm really excited about them. So, very cute. Ew. All right, y'all. So that was my little mini haul.
Mini haul.
that I wanted to show y'all. And I love these shoes. They're so cute.
Oh,
I can't wait to wear them.
now you start wearing mine.
I don't know what she's talking about. I do not wear her Crocs. Don't listen to her, y'all. Anyway, so I'll be seeing. I'm waiting on another package to come. So if it comes, I'll hop back on video. If not, I hope y'all like the video so far. It was a short video. I told y'all it was going to be kind of short. And I hope y'all have a great start to your Monday and your great start to your week. And I will be seeing y'all in the next video. I might come back if my stuff gets here because I want to show y'all what I got. But it might not come. But it might. I don't know. And so don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Y'all, give the video a thumbs up. Matter of fact, just go on, just tap the subscribe button right there. You see that? Right there. Yeah, tap that subscribe button and leave your questions and your comments. And don't forget to like, share, and give me like. Give me, y'all, come on. I need like
subscribe.
Give me like 10 million likes.
Like, share.
It's possible. It's possible. Bye, y'all.
Bye, peoples.
I'm not doing another video with her in it. Okay.
Like.
Bye, y'all.
Like. Got me some new Crocs. Can't tell me nothing. Got me some new Crocs. Don't wanna stop. Ow! Got me some new Crocs. Can't tell me nothing. Got me some new Crocs. Give up.
Okay, y'all, I wanted to show y'all what my room look like. Hold on one second. We'll do that so y'all can see. So I finally put my blanket on the bed and y'all look so nice. See the blankie? That looks so good. I had to come back and show y'all the bed. It looks so good. So I'm just gonna take y'all around the room real quick so y'all can see my little vibe I got going on. See that? It looks so good. I'm so excited. And y'all, this is just, it's just so vibey. Is that a word? But I love it. I love it. Okay, y'all, so this is what it actually looks like. I want to show you a close-up of the blanket. It looks really, really nice. And I also want to show you, I switched out my pillowcases. And I use these pillows. Aren't they nice? Look at the color. I also have sheets this color as well. But isn't this nice? I like that. I'm excited. So let me let y'all see the sheets. See, the sheets are very nice. So yeah, y'all, I had to come back and show y'all what it looks like with the lights off and with them on. Tell me your thoughts. Let me know which part you like. I'm curious to know. Still has that fallish vibe, and I love it. So I'll be talking to y'all later. Thank you for watching.